people may not notice when they're moving so fast. Daily life becomes cinematic.
What's good about having a good autofocus is that you don't have to worry about the technical aspect of the shot. Instead, you can focus more on the situation itself. I think what I like most about the camera is how compact and light it is, yet it does not limit you. Color brings out emotions.
It gives you a sense of individuality to a scene that maybe complements your own personality. If I had this camera starting out, it probably would have helped me a lot. Is a camera complicated to use? It doesn't have to be.
It's just you and your subject. Intimate, no distractions.
It's like seeing the world in a new way.
With morning come sights that color my vision. Moved by the hustle and bustle, but in the silence, I wait for the perfect moment to release the shutter. A city in deepening darkness, I continue to explore the unseen world. FUJIFILM XS20.
Canon is launching its smallest, lightest, and least expensive camera to date in the EOS R mirrorless system, the Canon EOS R100 camera. I'm John Lorenz from Canon USA with details of this fantastic way to enter the world of mirrorless photography and video. Whether this is your first interchangeable lens camera or you've owned an older digital SLR before, you'll find the EOS R100 is a solid platform for your imaging and content creation. Excellent still image capabilities start with its 24 million pixel APS-C size image sensor, enough resolution for extremely detailed large prints. You expect modern autofocus in today's mirrorless cameras, and the EOS R100 delivers, with ability to detect people and focus on their eyes. The R100 can shoot RAW or JPEG images to a maximum of 6.5 frames per second, even at its full 24 million pixel resolution. And of course, it offers room to grow, as your interests do, with a full complement of exposure options, including full manual control for stills and video. Speaking of video, it's a large part of the Canon EOS R100 story as well. This camera records full HD video at up to 60 frames per second from the full width of the image sensor. Detailed high-res 4K from the central area of the sensor is recorded at 24 frames per second. And it's easy to share video files or still images. With the EOS R100's built-in Wi-Fi capability, send files to your smartphone for easy sharing with your friends or direct uploads to your own social media pages. Many users will start with Canon's super compact RFS 18 to 45mm standard zoom lens. But any RF or RFS lens will attach directly, opening a world of imaging possibilities. If great content and imaging are in your sights, and interchangeable lens cameras have seemed too heavy, large, or expensive up until now, you owe it to yourself to check out the EOS R100. For Canon USA, I'm John Lorenz. Thanks for watching.
Hello? What is this?
Come up, on you!